Hello everyone. So for this seminar, I want to explain the topic that is conditions for congruence of triangle. So there are 5 total conditions of congruence of triangle: SAS, ASA, AAS, RHS and SSS. So for only means this analysis, I want to tell you that only 2 conditions, that is SAS and ASA. SAS means side angle side and ASA means angle side angle.
So let's go through with it.
So we will see first SAS criteria, that is side angle side. So what it says, if side angle side of one triangle is equal to the side angle side of another triangle, then these two triangles are congruent. Now we will see some examples for this criteria.
For SAS, first example is in triangle ABC, angle A equals to 100 and AB equals to AC. Find angle B and angle C.
So the solution for this question, as it is that we have to first draw the diagram and mark it as A, B, C, and as per that is given that angle A equals to 100 and side AB equals to side AC. In triangle ABC, it is given that AB equals to AC. So what we concluded from here, that angle B is equal to angle C, because angle opposite to equal sides are equal. So we have given the angle B equals to angle C as our equation number 1. We get here equation number 1. So for finding angle B and C, what we can see here, that we can apply here angle sum property and find it. Okay, so in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 as angle sum property. Okay. Now we know that angle A equals to 100 degree, and take it here from the equation 1, that angle B equals to angle C. That means we can put, instead of B we can put C also, and instead of C we can put B also. So we here take angle B plus angle B as angle B equals to angle C. So that equals to 180. And reason we can write here from equation 1. So 100 degree plus here it was 2 angle B. So 2 angle B equals to 180 degree. So 100 gets transferred to here. 180 minus 100 equals to 80. And here remains 2 angle B. And 2 is here multiplied. It will go there and will get divided. So angle B, which is also equal to angle C, is equals to 40 degree. So the answer for this question is that angle B equals to 40 and angle C is also equals to 40.
Second example is AB equals to AC and angle ACD equals to 105. Find angle BAC.
As far as our second question, it was given that angle ACD equals to 120 and AB equals to AC, and here we have to find angle A. So diagram we have given already. So what we have to do here, that is that given that AB is equal to AC. So what we concluded from here, that angle B is equals to angle C, because angle opposite to equal sides are also equal. So it was become our first equation, that angle B is equals to angle C. Okay. Now you can see here that angle ACB and angle ACD forms the angles of a linear pair here. That is, angle ACB we know angle ACD equals to 120, and here we have to find the angle ACB. We can also write it as angle C. So 120 becomes transferred here. So 180 minus 120, it was 60 degree. So angle C equals to angle B equals to 60 degree as per given as equation number 1. We have given no that equation number 1 is angle B equals to angle C. So if the C angle is 60 degree, then B will also it is 60 degree. Now in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree as per as the angle sum property. Okay, so we have to find angle A, and we already know the values of angle B and angle C. Values of angle B and C are 60 and 60 degree. So the value of angle A will come as 60 degree. Therefore, answer for this question and value for the A is equals to 60. Here we saw the criteria SAS. Now and their examples we saw just. Now we are going to solve the ASA criteria, that is angle side angle. What is 6? If angle side angle of one triangle is equal to the angle side angle of a second triangle, then these two triangles will be congruent, and hence we will see some examples for this criteria.
So first example of ASA is angle BCD equals to angle ADC and angle ACB equals to angle BDA. Then prove that AD equals to BC and angle A equals to angle B.
As per as our first question of criteria ASA, angle BCD equals to angle ADC and angle ACB equals to angle BDA, and we have to prove AD equals to BC and angle A is equals to angle B. So we have given that angle 1 equals to angle 2 as per this statement, and angle 3 equals to angle 4 as per this statement, ACB equals to B. So we have given that angle angle 1 equals to angle 2 and angle 3 equals to angle 4. So angle 1 plus angle 3 is equals to angle 2 plus angle 4. It will become angle 1 plus 3 equals to angle 2 plus angle 4. So it will become angle ACB equals to angle BDC, and that will become our equation number 1. So in ACB and BDC, in triangle ACD and BDC, angle ADC equals to angle ABC equals to angle BCD as it was given, and CD is common, and angle ACB equals to angle BDC as we find in our equation number 1. So by ASA criteria of congruence, we obtain that triangle ACD is congruent to triangle BDC, and hence we prove that AD equals to BC and angle A equals to angle B as per as the CPCD. Therefore, what we obtain? We obtain that side AD is equal to side BC by CPCD, and angle A is equals to angle B as also by CPCD, and hence it was proved.
So second question is L and M are two parallel lines intersected by another pair of parallel lines P and Q. Show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA.
As per as the second question of criteria ASA, LM is parallel lines and PQ are also two parallel lines, and they intersect each other. So here AC is act as a parallel transverse for LM also and for PQ also, and we have to prove here that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. So L and M are parallel and AC is a transversal. So angle 1 is equals to angle 4. It became our equation number first as it was the immediate opposite angle. Similarly, we can take angle 2 equals to angle 3 as per as the same is. So we have to prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. So here in triangle ABC and CDA, angle 2 is equal to angle 3 as equation number 2. We have formed here equation number 2. So as per as the equation number 2, angle 2 is equal to angle 3 and AC is transversal will become the common, and angle 1 is equals to angle 4 as per as the equation number 1 as we formed here. So by criteria ASA, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA, and hence it was proved. So I would like to say thank you to all who helped me to make this video making possible, and my teacher also for giving me this wonderful opportunity and work to do. So thank you so much.